Do you like to join me?
Sure.
Sure.
Can you spread that a little bit?
Okay. This is very good, Mr. Michael. I won't believe. Trust me. As you, that's very good. I think, do you have training or courses or something like that?
I had my mom was French Canadian and she was a master cook in the kitchen. She would cook and we spent a lot of time as kids learning from my mother how to cook. So it was just part of what we did. We were always in the kitchen together.
That's very nice.
It was lots of fun.
That is very nice.
It's how I got my wife to, because I cooked for her.
Okay. Okay, now we put any kind of fruits. I usually use chopped pineapple.
That's
you
right.
can use pear, peaches, whatever you feel to be.
Yeah.
Any fruits. Okay.
That looks lovely.
अच्छा जी, यहाँ पे हम आपको अपने देखने वालों को ये भी बताते चलें कि मिस्टर माइकल सीईओ टेलीनॉर के हैं, लेकिन इनकी बहुत ख्वाहिश थी हमारे शो में, और ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा एजाज़ है हमारे डॉन न्यूज़ के लिए, हमारे शो के लिए, हमारी इस टीम के लिए, कि मिस्टर माइकल ने हमें चूज़ किया, टेलीनॉर ने हमें चूज़ किया. They decided to come in my show and cook or do with some work. This is really big honor for us, for Dawn News and for Chef Zakir. I really meaning that.
Chef, you allow me to do something that I love to do, and that is come to the kitchen. And I have so much work, I spend little time in the kitchen. If I can work and come to the kitchen at the same time, this is a perfect thing for me. So I'm very, very grateful.
That's very, thank you very much. Okay. जनाब, मैं इसको रख रहा हूँ और आपसे इजाज़त लेता हूँ एक छोटे से ब्रेक की. तो हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे, ना आप कहीं जाएंगे. मिस्टर माइकल से हम करेंगे बहुत सारी बातें. अभी टेलीनॉर की बातें होंगी, फ्यूचर के प्लान क्या होंगे टेलीनॉर के, मिस्टर माइकल के व्हाट दे हैव अ प्लान इन माइंड फॉर doing some different things in Pakistan, like in Telenor, and for our listener and viewers, and especially those using Telenor connections. So don't go away. Just break. वेलकम बैक जनाब. ब्रेक से वापस आ चुके हैं. मिस्टर माइकल हमारे साथ हैं, सीईओ हैं जनाब टेलीनॉर कंपनी के. और आई एम श्योर कि इस वक्त जितने टेलीनॉर के यूज़र हमें देख रहे होंगे, उनके लिए एक बड़ा एक खूबसूरत एक लम्हा होगा कि वो उस कंपनी के सीईओ से मुलाकात कर रहे हैं, उनकी आवाज़ सुन रहे हैं, उनको देख रहे हैं कि जिनके कनेक्शन फ़ोन लाइन उनके हाथ में हैं. और टेलीनॉर अपनी आवाज़, अपनी कनेक्शन, अपने सिग्नल की वजह से वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टेलीकॉम सेक्टर है इन पाकिस्तान. और यही वजह है कि द टेलीनॉर कंप्लीट 10 years in Pakistan because few peoples using our brains to grow the business and give us something for Pakistani people like Easy Load. ये टाइटल फर्स्ट टाइम इन पाकिस्तान कि जब इजी लोड को मुतारिफ कराया गया तो वो टेलीनॉर था. उसके बाद मनी ट्रांसफ़र, उसके बाद यूथ के लिए पैकेज, और उसके बाद जनाब अभी so many things. I think now what you have a plan for a feature in Telenor.
Well, thank you for being such a wonderful spokesperson for us, because you've got it all right. But I think the most important thing for us is to continue to grow our internet business,
Right.
which has just started a year ago. And in Pakistan now we have 13 million internet users, but high-speed internet users on 3G and 4G. And then I think mobile money. We talked about money transfer and mobile wallets. That's really, really important for us. And it's our contribution to empowering Pakistan and making our economy more competitive and to make our people's lives easier.
That's very good. जनाब, आपने सुना कि मिस्टर माइकल के जो ख्यालात हैं कि वो पाकिस्तानी अवाम के लिए बहुत कुछ उनके पास प्लान है, इंटरनेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, 3G 4G की तरफ उनके हाथ में है, हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट का यूजेज है, और टेलीकॉम इसके अलावा टेलीनॉर बहुत सारी प्लानिंग है इनकी कि वो पाकिस्तानी अवाम के लिए बहुत कुछ करने के मूड में. Now, Mr. Michael, this is a special cream. We try to use a same symbol as you see.
Yeah.
So I use the color also.
Yeah.
Food color, same food color. Yeah, you know, but that's good. This is our topping. It is really wonderful and good to know that you have a lot of experience in kitchen, and especially your mother.
She was really a great cook, and sometimes we would cook for 90 people in our house.
Oh, really?
For events and so on, and for the neighborhood. So we learned a lot in the kitchen. It was kind of lots of fun for us too. Sometimes it was hard work though, because we get to do the dishes a lot when you're kids, but you also get to do some stuff like this.
That's very wonderful. Okay, come on this way.
Okay,
So
I'll do
easy
this.
for you, and I'll pour that.
I love to cook at home too for my family, so it's kind of fun when I have time. It's really a way for me to relax.
So, which kind of cooking you normally do?
So what I have not mastered yet, chef, is desi cooking, because the spices and the flavors are kind of interesting, and I haven't got there yet. But I'll do Italian, I'll do Thai, I bake, I like to do Western foods, and so I have a lot of fun with it, and I'm not afraid to experiment. So, and my daughters help me, and my wife and I like to spend time in the kitchen together.
So how many kids do you have?
We have two daughters, a 17-year-old and a 14-year-old. They live with us in Pakistan.
But you still look very young.
I am a very young man, and we have a baby coming in July. So we're loving it. We're having a wonderful experience here in Pakistan. We're blessed to be here, and my daughters are having a wonderful experience learning a different part of the world.
That's amazing. Okay, जनाब यहाँ पे आपने देखा मिस्टर माइकल के बच्चों के बारे में हमने कुछ बातें की, और इनकी फैमिली बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है, और मिस्टर माइकल आप देख सकते हैं कि ये खाली